What is up, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Let's talk about credit repair business learning opportunities. There is so much information out there right now, right? Uh, One of my mentors, Robert Kiyosaki, the author of Rich Dad Poor Dad, he says we are no longer in the industrial age. We're no longer in the inform. We are. Oh, in fact, he says that we are in the information age. But I think one of my other mentors took it to the next level, and he actually says that we are in the attention age. It's no longer how much you know and who you know and who knows you alone, right? That has an influence. But most importantly, it's about who can get the most attention in your credit repair business. If you're not getting attention on, whether it's social media or in-person relationships, networking events, all that good stuff, now with the pandemic, as things start to get a little bit better, you still got some roadblocks in place and limits, but nonetheless you can still get attention, right? So if you like learning, here's one of the best things you can do for your credit repair business journey, right? If you are here for the long run, keep learning about technology because it is constantly changing and advancing rapidly. One advantage of that is that nobody knows it all, right? Everybody is coming with better ideas to automate things, to delegate things, and to eliminate things, right? So that's a great motivator if you put it in perspective. To keep your credit business at the cutting edge of everything means that you will be ahead of most people around you. And so you can use that as your selling point for most things, right? And while we're at it, technology is a great teacher in its own right. Think how much easier it is today to share success stories, testimonials, your results, everything, right? How easy it is to join or and run your own courses, right, online. How could you do that before? You had to become a teacher. Now you can be a teacher without being in the school grounds, right? Engage with others on Facebook pages and in groups, connecting, networking, building relationships that eventually can yield greater results, greater ROI than anything else that you could have done without technology, the technology that we have today. Just imagine this video, right? I wasn't able to, I'm a 21-year-old sharing strategies about and concepts about marketing and learning and all this great stuff that I love now doing. Before, I wasn't able to even show up in front of a camera without being shy. And, let's talk about 1960s. Like, you had to be rich to be able to afford a camera, right? Like, who had cameras? Nowadays, anybody has a camera right here with their phone, and you can connect with so many people in a matter of seconds, right? With that being said, I got excited. At the Credit Repair Clients, we're so pleased that we get to share all our resources with those credit repair business owners who apply to learn from the best with the click of a submit button. And also, we can help you formulate your own digital marketing strategy and technology and tech strategies to generate and retain clients and upsell them and downsell them and all these other strategies that you need in place to run a successful, sustainable business that allows you to have freedom, right? Not just work, work, work. It's also about freedom. So take a look at what we offer credit repair agency owners with the drive and ambition to scale to seven figures. We look forward to welcoming you on board and just understanding where you're at, where you're trying to get, and how we can how we can leverage the technology in place while you focus on learning more. Like, I love learning. So let's do that. Just jump on a call with me and my team, and we'll help you out. Either click up above here or down below, anywhere where the link is at, and then we'll help you with a strategy, with a plan, a game plan, so that you can execute it and focus on the right things as a business owner you are. With that being said, guys, I'll see you in another one. Take care. Have a great day. Bye bye.